What is going on, guys and girls? It's the Short Bear. I just wanted to say that you still have 24 hours left to join the chat from 20% to 30% off using the code LUCKYMONTH or LUCKYYEAR. Everything is in the description, so if you want to join, just click on the link below. What is going on, guys and girls? It's the Short Bear. Today we're going to talk about my best month ever, which was this month actually. We had a lot of volume, a lot of liquidity, and a lot of plays that we played every single day actually. Every single day last week I was able to have returns of 30 to 50% by recycling my shares and getting the best risk reward from the trades I analyzed in the morning. We woke up every single day at 7 a.m., did the research together in the chat, going through the fundamentals and the technicals to get the best possible risk reward on every single trade. And we got some nice plays, some 5 to 20 RR trade, meaning we got 20 times what we risked out of a couple of trades this week. We are gonna talk about So this is the last update I showed you on Twitter. This was basically just before the beginning of March, the last day before the start of the month. We were on a breakout basically after a couple of rough weeks where I had to basically redo the whole data that I had because the market shifted. We got a nice couple of plays enabling me to get the ball rolling again. But actually March was far better than expected. We got a lot of volume from a couple of plays that really have gone parabolic, like BPTH for example, and this brought a lot more longs into this game. That got back basically, and that's where the fundamental analysis came in and where we really profited. So this is what March looks like. It doesn't look like much, just like normal chat, but a chart. But as I said, I was able to really size up because the liquidity was there, and this is actually what it looks like. All right, this is what March looks like. Just a really nice breakout and a lot of profit. Which is really refreshing after the couple of last months that we had where it was more like grinding, and I'm not the only one that really profited from this market actually. Max, Madaz trader, as you know him from Twitter and YouTube, actually had one of his best months ever too, more than quadrupling his account. He started with 30k, but I'm going to talk about that just after. So for me this month, this is what every single day looked like. All right, I had 3 losing days, but as you can see, I kept them small and really got the most I could out of the big winning days that I had. Alright, this is what my performance looks like in the past 90 days. So every single day on average I make money, but actually, which is pretty interesting, actually this month I'm down on Tuesdays. Normally Tuesday is one of the days where I make the most money, I think followed by Wednesday, or Wednesday should be my biggest winner day, I believe. And Mondays and Fridays are my worst days, but as you can see, this time Mondays and Fridays are actually my best days of the week, which is really particular. After that, as you can see, this is why I told the guys in chat, please wake up early. All right, I do the fundamental research every single day in chat, live with the members, telling them where they can find everything in the filings, how I research it, and how I know that most people will read them wrong. All right, and we take advantage of that. All right, and that's why we read the filings right away when the stocks pop up, and we get into a position when we find the risk ratio, and as you can see, it really pays off. I actually lose money starting midday actually. Starting midday, I lose money, and before that, actually in the morning at 7 a.m., 2 hours before the market opens, that's where I make the most money, all right? I get into a position and I manage it. I get out into dips, add back on pops, and so on, and close my position sometime during the day. Alright, this is my performance by intraday duration. As you can see, as I said, I manage my positions and I cut my losers early. As you can see, my loser positions actually are those that I hold really the least amount of time. I cut them right away when I see that they get to my stop. If something is wrong, I cut them, and the real positions I make money on are the positions I hold on to. Alright, I let my winners run and I cut my losers early. Other than that, this is my performance this month regarding the tickers that I played. Alright, so as you can see, I had some loser trades, alright, but the loser trades, same thing, SRNEDSS, same thing with MU. Those are stocks that are not in my niche and that I tried to play, alright. I make mistakes too, and this is part of it. I played those and lost on them, but as you can see by the performance by symbol bottom 20, the last one is SEEL, and when you look to the left, SEEL is just a really small winner compared to the biggest winners I had this month. So it really doesn't play a big role, alright? I keep my losers small, which is the most important thing. Actually, I want to add one thing, and it's that actually my winning rate isn't that big, alright? I'm right around 60%, so 60% of the time I close my positions for a win, alright? But this is because I cut my starters right away when they don't work, and when the positions work, I add, and manage the risk by moving it, alright? And that's why I might get stopped out 40% of the time, but on the 60% of trades where I make money, I'm in 10 times bigger, and that's where I make the most money. My profit ratio, meaning how much more money I make on winning trades than on losing trades, is right around 4 to 6 to 1 on average, alright? So Max had an amazing month, alright? He started the month with a $30,000 account and quadrupled it, alright? This isn't the most recent chart. Actually, Max is closing in on $131,000 this month, starting with $30,000. And the best thing of all is that he did that all live with the members in chat. Everything live on the mic, and telling the members where he would enter, why he would enter there, what the risk is, and so on and so on. So the members can learn with us. So as I said, 30,000 into 130,000, amazing. Quadrupled the account. Nothing more to say, just amazing work. Micah Yo and his top tick analysis. Micah did an amazing job this month, top ticking multiple tickers, and I thought I would show you one ticker in particular, BPTH, which led to a lot of volume in the small caps. So I'm going to show you that one. So Micah did his analysis on BPTH and said in chat that he would look for a bounce back to 46.8 on BPTH. And what happened? BPTH ran to $80, came back down and bounced exactly into the price Micah indicated with his analysis. But one day prior to the run, actually, Micah did his analysis on it once again. He even posted it on Twitter to show you a bit what his analysis is about. And he said, once the equation is completed, the price will fail, but it may reclaim later at that level. And he indicated that BPTH would stop at 13.18. And what did happen? BPTH stopped exactly at that price where the line is, came back down, faded, reclaimed later, spiked, and it led to this day, and on this day he did the same analysis, and once again the price stopped exactly where he said it would. All right,